In this lesson, we are going to discuss popular sports women of India in the sports like Kabaddi, weightlifting and relay race. Hello dear students, good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online EVS class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 10, Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Let's start. Children, do you like to play outdoor games? I know everyone's answer will be yes. Which outdoor games do you like to play? Some will say cricket, some hockey, some volleyball, some basketball, some will say badminton, and so on. Can you see these girls in the picture? What are they doing? They are shouting, out, out, out. Which game is this?
Kabaddi! 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 Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi. दे दनादन, बाजुओं में दम, धरती हिला देंगे हम.
Yeah, this is Kabaddi game. Kabaddi is also called as Jedduguddu, Huttuttu, Chokitkit, Hudduddu in different parts of India. See, this is Shamla. See how these girls have surrounded and caught her in Kabaddi game. One girl caught her legs, another girl caught her arms, while still more another girl caught her by waist. Everyone thought that Shamla was out, but Shamla was a very strong girl. She did not give up so easily. She dragged herself by increasing her strength and managed to touch the line in the center. When Shamla touched the center line, all the girls of the opposite team were holding her. So, all of them, that is whole opposite team, became out. But a girl named Rosie from the opposite team argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between, so their team was not out. But Shamla was very bold. She said that this was not true. Then there was a big argument, and finally Shamla won the game. In this way, Kabaddi is played. In this way, in Kabaddi, snatching and pulling happens. When someone is caught, everyone shouts. This is a game of bravery. Kabaddi is a game played between two teams. There are 12 players in a Kabaddi team. 7 players play on the ground and 5 players are substitutes. The basic rules of Kabaddi are very simple. Players from each team take turns. They cross the center line and try to touch members of the opposite team and then run and come back in the team without being caught by the opposite team members. When one takes turn, they have to keep on saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi continuously as soon as they enter the opposite zone and should hold their breath and continue speaking Kabaddi, Kabaddi till they come back to their side by crossing the middle line. The person who taking turn has to be very careful. They have to use their legs, arms, eyes as well as their mind. They have to pay attention all around. According to the current world sport ranking, India is best in Kabaddi. Second is Iran. Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh. Now, one general question. How do you resolve the disputes during games? Dispute means arguments. How are they resolved? Answer is the game referee should listen to both the teams and give a fair judgment to resolve the disputes. Next question is, what does it mean to be out in Kabaddi? Answer is, when the player loses his turn, he is said to be out in Kabaddi. Next question, when does one get out in the game? Answer is, there are three ways to become out in Kabaddi. First way, if he loses his breath and stops saying Kabaddi Kabaddi. Second, if he touches the opposite team player and is caught by the team. And third one is, if the player is stopped by the opposite team during his move. Now children, these pictures are of a sportswoman named Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was just 12 years old. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Imagine 130 kilograms. Children, your weight might be round about 30 kgs. But Karnam Malleshwari can lift nearly 4 times your weight. That is 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. She has 4 sisters. All these 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. These pictures are of Sarita Gaikwad. Sarita Lakshmanbhai Gaikwad is a Gujarati sprinter. Sprinter means a person who runs short distances very fast. She was born in Karadiamba village of Dang district on 1st June 1994. Presently, she is 26 years old. Her parents do farming. She specializes in the 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. She won gold medal in women's 4x400 meters relay race at the 2018 Asian Games. Gujarat government has selected her as a brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Means Gujarat government pays her to promote Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Now children, look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. This picture is of 3 sisters named Jwala, Leela and Hira. All 3 of them used to play Kabaddi and taught this game to others. Presently, they are living in Mumbai. When these three sisters were young, they lost their father. Their mother and two mamas brought them up. Both these mamas used to play kabaddi and kho-kho. So they encouraged these three sisters to play kabaddi. Jwala and her sisters tells that when they were young, girls were not allowed to play kabaddi. Children, do you know why? Because girls had to wear boys' clothes while playing kabaddi, and the people thought that if girls play such rough games, then nobody would marry them. But their mother and mama, that is uncle, supported them to play kabaddi. Then at that time they formed a kabaddi club of girls, which is active even today. Once when they were young, they went to a big city to play a match. The match was going to start at 6:30 in the evening. They had plenty of time, so they went to see a movie. As soon as the movie started, their mama searched for them. Then after finding them in the movie hall, he scolded them. So this is the story of three kabaddi players, three sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. Now hope to meet you in next online EVS class. Take care. Thank you.